It's like 5:50 at the moment. I'm drinking my coffee, editing the last things for today's video. And then we're heading to Chandidasa because today is Mola Mola day. Hopefully we will see it. You going to Chandidasa? Let's go. Just a quick time lapse before I leave. Our salt guys are busy. Sun is just coming up. Oh. Beautiful sunrise. Amazing.
Preparing everything for Galunga. Buggy!
We arrived in Chandidasa, and this is what we're calling window to ocean. Isn't it beautiful? And then we will go to that island, which is called Tipikong, and if there is no Mola Mola, so then we go to this island, which is called Mempang. Island. We tried to find Mola, but water was really warm, so no Mola at the moment. But it's a beautiful reef here, and it's always some sharks, so that's why it's definitely worth to dive here. And this one is a Tipikong Island. Now it's a winter, all the trees is without the leaves, and when it's spring, then it's really green island.
One more person vlogging. Instagram now? You also? Your Instagram?
Foggy mask.
Martin testing mask.
Yeah, it was foggy, the best way. Okay, tip for today. Tip for today. If your mask is foggy and you are still on a surface, so there's no need to lick it. So then what you do, you take a towel and then you clean it, and then take a because when you're cleaning there is some silicone on the glass, and when you're cleaning with the towel, so the towel becomes at this point dirty. So then you clean, then take in another place, and then another, and clean for approximately each glass around 5 minutes, and then it's no fog anymore. Because the problem is that when you buy a new mask, there is a layer of kind of protective silicone which is protecting it from scratches, sorry. Yep. Unfortunately today no Mola Mola, but we got 2 really cool dives. I'm so happy about these dives, not so strong current. Water was warm, and that's probably one of the reasons why Mola Mola didn't come. But yeah, super cool dives, everybody's happy. We'll try another day. And Mola Mola season here just starts, so nothing to worry about. A little bit pity, but anyways, I am always happy to dive in these places. These dive sites are amazing, and that's what you will see on the videos. So next we are going to cafe. We'll get some good cake and cappuccino or double espresso, and we have a really good day. Hello, hello. Oh, someone is already sitting waiting for the cake. This is super good. That one is good. Everything is good. I'm actually really hungry. We didn't eat the breakfast, only we drink that, what is that? Smoothie, strawberry smoothie, and that's it, nothing else. So I'm really hungry now.
Martin, how is it? Good? Did you try already?
Really recommend. Highly recommend.